Congratulations, you're pre-approved to buy a home. Yay! I'm happy for you. In this email that you should have just received from me, you should have received a pre-approval letter. This is showing that, hey, you're good to go. You've been pre-approved on a home, and so you're good to go shopping. During that process, you may find a home that is higher than what we pre-approved you for. Talk to me about it, because that number's not always 100% set, right? Perhaps the taxes are lower than what we anticipated, or there wasn't an HOA, or things like that. Talk to me so that we can make sure and see if, hey, maybe that home is within your reach. Also in this email, you should have received a link for a mortgage calculator app that I have. I intend this to be a good tool for you as you're shopping around and looking for homes. And you want to know where the payment's at, use the app. The app will give you a fairly accurate payment of where things should be. It is not a quote, okay? So the rates aren't always 100% accurate, and I try to just keep them in the range of where they are. But if you want to know exactly where rates are for you, contact me. I can get you those rates. But again, use the Mortgage Calculator app as a tool. That's what it's there for. During the process of shopping for a home, you may encounter a builder. You may decide, hey, I want to build a home. 90% of the time, that builder is going to have some kind of preferred lender and perhaps an incentive with that. 9 times out of 10, we can also match that same incentive. And so talk to me. Don't say goodbye right away. Talk to me, because we could probably match it and do it. And then you get to still work with me, which hopefully you want to do, right? Anyhow, point is, talk to me on those things. Lastly, I want to go over a couple do's and don'ts. This will make the loan process a lot smoother once you do find a home and you're under contract, and that's when you and I will talk again. A couple do's is, during this process, communicate with me. If something changes, perhaps you lose or change your job, talk to me. Let's rerun the numbers, see if it works. If other things in your financial situation change, again, just contact me. Some don'ts are, don't shift money around in your bank accounts. Don't make random undocumented deposits into your account. Don't take a large amount of cash and put it into your bank. Your down payment has to be sourced, and so we have to be able to see that you've had that money in your account for at least 2 months. And so any random deposits and things like that kind of put those things into question. And so best to just keep a clean bank account as best you can. Some other don'ts would be, don't go apply for new credit. Don't go buy a car or some other major purchase. Obviously, doing that will affect your ability to buy a home, and we don't want to jeopardize that. And so again, talk to me. Maybe you're fine. Maybe your debt-to-income ratios would be great, but talk to me about that. Lastly, make sure you pay your bills on time. I've had people ruin their credit, unfortunately, because, hey, I was shopping, I forgot to pay this bill, and now their score drops, and maybe we can still get them the loan, but now the interest rate's a lot worse than it would have been before. So talk to me about those things. Make sure you pay your bills on time. That's it. Happy house hunting. Go have fun. This is the fun part of the process, is finding a home that you like. Mine is just that I just give people debt. So hopefully you like the house that you're getting a bunch of debt for. I'm a big believer in real estate as far as to be able to build wealth and put yourself in a good financial situation. So go enjoy this process. Happy house hunting. Thanks.